So you wanna root your phone, but you don't want to watch a 10 minutes video of a guy almost dying because of how slow he is? Well, you're watching the right video. This is how to fully unlock and root your OnePlus 6T. First of all, the requirements. You need the OnePlus 6T drivers, you need ADB and Fastboot properly installed and updated, you need the USB cable, preferably the one that came with the device, you need to download Twerp's image file and installer zip file, you need to download Magic's zip file. If you don't know where to find all of those files you need to download, just check out the description of this video, it'll have everything there. Now on your phone, go to settings, about phone, tap the build number 7 times. This will enable developer options. Go back to settings, developer options, enable USB debugging. Then enable the OEM unlocking option. Also make sure that from now on, OEM unlocking option is enabled before you reboot, as sometimes it might get disabled by itself. Also be sure to enable the advanced reboot option. Next, hold the power button until the reboot menu shows up and hit bootloader so your phone reboots to the bootloader. Once done, plug your phone to your PC and open up a CMD and type in Fastboot devices. If your phone shows up in the list, that's great. If not, you need to check your Fastboot installation along with your OnePlus 6T drivers. Now this next step will wipe everything off of your phone, including contacts, pictures, videos, apps and their data. Literally anything on your phone will go. So do your backups beforehand, then type Fastboot Oem Unlock. You'll be notified if you're sure if you want to do this. So use the volume keys to select yes and hit the power button to apply. Your phone will reboot and boot back to the OS, where you're going to need to set everything up again. Once that's done, go back again to settings, about phone, tap on build number 7 times. This will enable developer options. Go back to settings, developer options, enable USB debugging, then enable the OEM unlocking option. Also be sure to enable the advanced reboot option. Now again, boot to the bootloader by holding the power button until the reboot menu shows up and hit bootloader so your phone reboots to the bootloader. Now on your PC, make sure all of the files were downloaded to one single folder, and in that folder, hit shift, right click and then select open command window here or open PowerShell window here. Then type in fastboot boot and then the name of the twerp.image file. Now twerp will boot on your phone, and once that's done, transfer all of the files except the twerp image file to your phone simply by just browsing into your phone and copy pasting the files there. Then hit install and flash the twerp installer file. Then again hit install and then flash Magic's zip file and then reboot the system. And that's it. You're now fully unlocked and rooted. If you need to double check whether or not you have root, I made a simple root check app that simply checks if you have root access or not. So go ahead and download that and make sure everything worked fine. Thank you for watching. Be sure to watch my other videos and fun stuff. And also consider subscribing. This was rirozizo and I'll see you soon.